Looking for a super bright flashlight that's easy to operate, plus durable and weatherproof? The LitezAll Nearly Invincible 4000 lumen flashlight is your solution. Let's take a closer look. The LitezAll 4K flashlight is a brute, weighing in at just under 1.5 pounds. Made of aerospace grade aluminum, it measures 9.5 inches in length with a body diameter of 1.5 inches. The head section is a bit thicker at 2.25 inches. The head and tail sections of this light are rubber coated, providing extra protection. The flashlight features easy single push button operation. Repeatedly pressing the power button cycles between high brightness at 4200 lumens with a 2-hour runtime and low brightness at 2300 lumens with a 4-hour runtime and off. You may focus the beam by twisting the head of the flashlight in clockwise or counterclockwise directions to suit your needs. The LitezAll Nearly Invincible 4K flashlight is powered by 9 AA batteries. Twist off the bottom of the flashlight to access the battery compartment and remove the battery cartridge. You may pull the batteries out of the cartridge or lightly tap one edge of it on a hard surface to shake them out. Replace the batteries in each chamber in the direction of the arrows inside. You may replace the cartridge back into the flashlight either end first. Screw the bottom of the flashlight back on tightly. The flashlight carries an IPX4 weather-resistant rating and is drop tested up to 9 meters or 29.5 feet, and that's how it became part of the LitezAll Nearly Invincible family of products. Make the LitezAll Nearly Invincible 4K your go-to flashlight whenever you need bright light and extreme durability.